had a dream that one day black women will start supporting each other rather than bashing each other. Ladies, never forget that you are beautiful, lovely, attractive, courageous, and kind. I am dripping melanin with honey. I'm black without a pot.
Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So as you guys know, Spice have been going through a lot in the media recently because she came out looking a lot lighter than she used to look, and people were speculating if she bleached her skin or not. She deleted all her pictures off the gram. So, and when she opened back her Instagram, these were the pictures that she uploaded. She looked whiter than white, and it was to promote her new album, or new mixtape rather, Captured. And big up to Spice, you're doing your thing. And she had a lot to say about everybody that was speculating that if she bleached her skin or not. So let's get into the
not what you expect me to say, but I'ma go ahead and say it anyway. 'Cause I was told I would reach further if the color of my skin was light.
I wanted to create awareness to colorism, and it was more so done intentionally to create shock value so that I could have the world's undivided attention to deliver the message in my music. There are dark-skinned women across the world complaining every day that they are being downplayed and degraded, but the raw truth is us black women and black men that are fighting against each other and tearing each other down and tearing down our own race. It's evident in the social media comments every day.
And I was made to feel inferior, 'cause society say brown girls prettier. Me love the way me look, me love me pretty black skin. Respect you to me strong melanin. Proud of me color, love the skin that I'm in.
I myself have lived through it all, being downgraded by my dark complexion. Would the message in my song have been received as well as it did worldwide if I didn't go to the extreme with the picture? The truth is, no, it would have probably been just another Spice hit song. So yes, I had to go the extra mile to ensure my message would be heard. Most people got a misconception that I was boosting skin bleaching, but ironically it was the opposite. I used myself as an example of what people from the black community is causing other women to do because of how society makes them feel. Yes, black is beautiful. We say it every day, but are we showing love to our black women? This topic is long and I could spread it so far, but me tired fi type LOL.
Born racism, demolish colorism, but the things when me I go say you might not even love me back. I get hate from my own race, yes, that's a fact. 'Cause the same black people, them say I'm too black, and if you bleach out your skin, them same one come a chat.
The fact is, colorism is happening in the homes, schools, and businesses, but I'll leave it till my next post. Put an end to the debate. I did not bleach my skin, and I quote, "Proud of me color, love me pretty black skin, respect due to me strong melanin." Words from my Black Hypocrisy song that I wrote from my heart. And big up to Spice herself. I cannot give her props enough for actually doing what she did, because a lot of people could not handle the backlash that comes with something like this.
Well, since you say that I'm too black for you, I please you, do I look how you want me to? Now I'm gonna see if you're gonna say I'm too brown for you.
a lot of people had their opinions, and a lot of people were saying that she loved that her skin was lighter because she would not only put up pictures, she put up videos with her skin looking lighter. But to show you how intelligent and how much of a market, like she market her song, market herself so good that people actually believe that she bleached her skin, when in truth and in fact, if you read between the lines, and when she said black hypocrisy, you could have seen right through it. But I'm happy she put such effort into showing what black women, especially dark-skinned women, go through on a daily basis, because people will downplay you based on your skin, your hair, your complexion, and dark-skinned women a lot of the times get the brunt of the stick. So big up to Spice for doing what she did and actually making this a worldwide topic of conversation. Enough people would not have done what she has done, because she has been criticized, ridiculed, made fun of. Everything in the books people have said about her at this point for doing what she did. But big up to Spice. Go captured. It's on all platforms. It's on iTunes, it's on Google. Make sure you go support her, show her love, and show that what she did was not in vain.
Black people hypocrisy. Leave the girls them with low self-esteem. Who no go on like say you are fi brown fi pretty. Fuck the whole of them dirty iniquity. This a black people hypocrisy. Leave the girls them with low self-esteem. I'm black and beautiful, I know I'm pretty. Fuck the.
And we as black people, like she said, need to stop tearing down each other. So much respect to Spice. Hubby is actually going to buy the full mixtape. It's on Apple Music, Google Play, everything. Go buy it, go support it, go show love to Spice, because in this day and age we need to start supporting each other, uplifting each other, and giving our black men and our black women a high five when they do something great, instead of having the whole crab in a barrel mentality and tearing down each other. Go listen to the album, tell me what you guys think about the album. Big up to Spice, big up to Black Hypocrisy. Do your thing, girl. Continue to make strides. And I love that you are appealing to a different audience, because Spice for a while was doing a lot of like explicit songs, and a lot of people were saying that they're tired of that type of songs. They're tired of what she's doing because she's getting older and all this. But now she has appealed to a brand new audience. She has appealed to a brand new set of people. So Spice, you are the true definition of what a dancehall queen is.
Dirty iniquity. Them say me black till me shine, till me look dirty, and it's the only line in life that will ever hurt me, because it never come from a Caucasian. Trust me, this a black colorism, big hypocrisy.
Okay, you switch up on them effortlessly. Okay, and you have the whole world talking. You are the true definition of what it is to be Jamaica's dancehall queen, and you're taking it not only from Jamaica but internationally. Her song Black Hypocrisy is #1 on the reggae iTunes chart. So big up to Spice. I cannot say it enough. Big up, keep doing what you're doing. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Make sure you go buy Capture on all platforms, digital outlets, because nothing will act like gonna support these artists, but in truth and in fact, y'all really don't support them. Y'all shell out on the dollars and shell out on the money if actually support them in real life. So make sure you go support Spice and purchase Captured mixtape. It's available on all digital outlets. I'm out of here, man. Deuces.
If I wait a pretty woman, is it? Straight nose with her hair well long. Black girls lose self-confidence, cause they attach the word ugly to her complexion.
Hey, all them a preach and preach, step over they go beat and teach. Them a jive by and all know them can't reach. Go and back up your grandmother preach. Them a pussy on the street and me see it. Go over they go beat and teach. Beat and teach. So beat and teach. So beat and teach.